There is a place where nothing is visible at first sight. Views that you can only imagine in your dreams, and the kind of life that you cannot find in our modern society. If you're looking for an adventure to a wild wonderland with natural beauty, this is a video for you. Known as the oldest national park in the world, Yellowstone has everything an American of the 1870 might want in a landscape. The land was first inhabited by Native American tribes around 11,000 years ago and explored by European Americans in the 1800s. Nowadays, it is visited by more than 4 million tourists every year. Located mostly in Wyoming, also extends into Idaho, Montana. Yellowstone contains over 2 million acres of pristine wilderness to explore. The park sits on top of an active volcano, the largest supervolcano on the continent. It is a home to half of the geysers in the world. About 500 geysers are still active. The most famous one is Old Faithful, which can erupt every 60 to 90 minutes. Observation Point Trail allows hikers to see Old Faithful from a different perspective. Standing at 250 feet above the geyser, you'll see all the crowds that surround it. Around 1,000 hydrothermal features and 290 waterfalls are found in the park. The lower falls of Yellowstone River is the tallest waterfall at 308 feet. Over the years, hikers at Fairy Falls, located between Midway Geyser Basin and Old Faithful, have used user-created paths to gain an unusual but still magnificent view of the third largest spring in the world, the Grand Prismatic Spring. There is no other sight more mesmerizing than Grand Prismatic, with its spectacular orange, turquoise, and deep blue shades of waters. Besides its natural wonders, the Yellowstone National Park is also popular for its wildlife. It is also a home to hundreds of animal species, with wolves, buffalo, grizzly bears, and moose all sharing the park with the observation platforms. Yellowstone has more adventures waiting to happen around every corner. You can also take photos of a bunch of wildlife. Bison are active during the annual rut in July and August. More than 4,500 bison roam free in the park. Bears are active from March through November. About 150 grizzly bears alive in the park. You can tell them apart from black bears by their smaller ears, dish-shaped faces, and the hump on their shoulders. Moose are active in late October to early January, just before bull moose shed their antlers for the season. Here are some pieces of advice for you when you visit the park. Don't just see it, experience it. Remember to bring a sweater. The park is chilly all the time. Last but not least, don't forget to subscribe below for more thrilling adventure videos.